Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I am going to discuss about importance of strong password and how you can create them. So without wasting your time, let's start this video. A weak password is like a leaving your front door unlocked. In today's digital age, your online accounts hold a wealth of personal information, financial data, personal communication, and even your identity. Protecting this information starts with a strong password. Why strong password matter? Shield your identity. A robust password prevents hackers from stealing your personal information and committing identity theft. Safeguard your finance. Your bank accounts, credit card, and online shopping accounts are targets for cyber criminals. Strong password protect your money, protect your privacy. Your email, social media, and other online communication contain sensitive information. A strong password keep your private life private. Crafting an impenetrable password. Length is key. Aim to at least 20 characters, but longer is better. Mix it up. Combine uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. Avoid the obvious. Don't use personal information like birthdays, names, or pet names. Unique is crucial. Create a different password for each account. Embrace password managers. This tool can generate and store strong password for you. Remember, a strong password is an investment in your digital security. It's the first line of defense against the growing threats of cybercrime. So guys, I hope you understand this video and learn something new. Please subscribe this channel for more videos.